Hi, I am Crystal. I got my dentures out of medical necessity. The uppers are free floaters and the bottoms are implants. For the past 4 years, I've been sick as far as not being able to eat. I had a blockage, was malnutrition and kidney failure. Even though I had a feeding tube in and was trying to bypass the blockage, it still was not enough. I ended up having a major operation in order to save my life. Ended up going to a dentist who said that it would just be best for me to pull all of my teeth and get dentures. And it was a huge mistake. He said there was no point in salvaging any of my teeth. He was 100% incorrect, based on more questions that we had asked, even with Dr. Shoemaker. He said that's the last thing that you want to do. Once I got healthy, once I'd survived the surgery and we knew that it was working, my mother actually was more serious about getting me new dentures. They did a lot of searching and found Dr. Shoemaker. It was an amazing first visit. He was just blunt about everything and forward. It was incredible. What he recommended was implants on top to have the snap in, as well as on the bottom, because he had nothing to work with other than a photo of me from high school. He was going to have to build my teeth up, build the dentures up. It was his credentials. There's only a few, I believe, in the world that have some of the certifications that he does. He was honest about what he could do. He explains things so well and very honest. He did his homework. Apparently, all of those credentials really mean something. Dr. Shoemaker gave me my life back. He brought me back to life. There's no doubt that that man is amazing. Absolutely have the utmost respect and trust and faith in that man.